Welcome to the demonstration of face recognition based device controlling system along with alert messages on the IoT cloud platform. So here the features like from the Pi camera we are going to detect the face initially and then it will compare that particular face with the database, and once the face was recognized and based on the person number we are going to on the respective relay, and at the same time the remaining relays will be off. So for example person 1, so one relay will be on and the so-called person name will be displayed on the LCD screen and the green light will be on. So if the person was not in the database, the recognition face was not in the database, then automatically the red LED and the buzzer will be on state. So this is the face detection and recognition and devices controlling along with alert messages on the LCD screen and the LED indications. And the next feature is, as we discussed, when we press this button, then the Raspberry Pi automatically send the alert message to the cloud platform. So on the web browser, so we can see the alert message like this along with date and time. So whenever you press that, automatically the screen changes to the date along with alert message. So here we are using Raspberry Pi 02W along with 32 GB memory card, Ultra SD, micro SD card. So in this SD card, predefinedly we need to store the Bullseye OS inside that, and then after we need to install the modules respected to the OpenCV and face recognition purpose modules inside that, and after that we have coded that to capture the image, and our first step is face detection and the next step is face recognition, and compare that with the database based on the number of person we are going to on the relays and all. So let us see demonstration. Before switch on the kit, let me explain you the connections. So we have placed the Pi camera at Pi camera slots and LCD at pin number 17, 27, 22, 9, 10, 11 pin, and these two LEDs. In this the red LED and the buzzer are connected in parallel. So this is connected at 23 and 24, and relays are connected at 5 here, 5, 6, 19, 13, and the switch was connected at 26th pin. So here this is a breadboard. So just in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout this board for the inputs and output modules. So let us see. Before on the kit, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So go to phone hotspot settings and change the hotspot name to project. All are small letters. I'm repeating that. All are small letters without any space. And the password should be 129. So after enabling the hotspot, now the zero device is connected, and also install one application. So this application we get from the Play Store. The application icon should be like this. So network analyzer application. So after installing the application and hotspot changes on the hotspot, now switch on the power supply to the kit. So initially it will take 15 to 20 seconds for the booting. On successful booting, there we can see one device is connected, and then after these two LEDs along with the buzzer will be on and off 2 times, and the welcome message displayed on the LCD screen. So on this LEDs board you can see 2 resistors. These are the current limiting resistor with 330 ohm, and on the buzzer board, to on the buzzer we are going to make use of transistor. The same transistor presents in the relay board also. So relay board consists of each and every on and off 2 times, and we can see one device is connected. And now go to network analyzer application and do the scan. So there we get the Raspberry Pi IP address. To get this Raspberry Pi IP address, we need to install this app. So note on that 192.168.178.83. Go to Chrome, same, enter that IP address along with :5000. That's very important. So after that you can enter. So now there is an alert message that just it will show the when the device got switched on, the time and date. So when we press the switch, buzzer along with LED on and alert message on the LCD screen along with refreshing. So once you refresh that, you can see that at which the alert message was arrived. So if you change that again, So you can change the time also. Alright, so now let us see the face recognition part. So as of now, for demonstration purpose, we kept the face recognition done from the selfie videos. So person 4, person 1, 2, 2 and 3. So person 3, so the respective relay got switched on. You can see the message on the LCD also. Right, person 2, so 3 and 2. So person 1, same, you can see the message on the LCD, 1, 2, 3. Right, person 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the respective relays will get switched on, and also you can see the green LED. So once unknown person came, so now I am standing in front of the camera. So I am in front of the camera. So face was not recognized, along with buzzer indication and red LED indication. Again, you can see the person 1. So initially green LED on, and then after the respective LED relay will be on. So here we can observe that. So person 1 relay on, then all the 3 relays will be in off state only. So this keep on for the remaining 3 persons.